Hello, good afternoon. This is Aries Tena. So now I'm going to tell you how to make a very effective resume. So napakahalaga ngayon na topic na rin. It's very interesting topic. Kasi it's all about making a resume, effective resume. But before we start, before we proceed, I invite you to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe here. Okay? So, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, click the button below para makasubscribe ka. Sa gayon, lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos na ina-upload. Are you experiencing age discrimination? Sawa ka na ba sa rejections when you're applying job? Kung na-experience mo yun because of age discrimination, I think this video is for you. This is for you para matulungan kita na sa gayon magkaroon ka ng tip. Ano ba yung dapat gawin? Kasi lagi na lang ako nare-reject because of my age. If you're already 35 or 35 to 40 years old or above, this is for you. But if not, I suggest na you can share this video sa friend mo na nakaka-experience na age discrimination. Kasi dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, ano yan, palaging marami nakaka-experience ng age discrimination. But according to the law, para sa akin, as long as you can do the job, as long as nabibigay mo yung requirements, nabibigay mo yung target quota nila ng company, yung requirements niya. So, there's no reason for you to kick out ka, para i-kick out ka. There's no reason para ma-reject ka. Diba? Tandaan mo yun, there's no reason for you to be rejected. If you can give the quality, if you can give the requirements na hinihingi na company. So, ngayon, kung papansin natin, if we have noticed, when we are making resume, kadalasan na una is yung picture, right? Nasa, I think, left side. And then, after yung picture, andun yung name, address, contact number, and email address, right? And after that is yung objectives, napakahalaga ng objectives. And yung madalas, yung traditional resume, ang kasunod nun is yung educational attainment, highest educational attainment. Na yun yung tinuturo sa school, yun yung kadalasan nakikita natin na pangkaraniwang resume. Ngayon, I'm going to tell you na you should revise that kind of technique. Kasi gayon, kung na-experience mo yung age discrimination sa trabaho, maiwasan mo yun, maitama mo. So ngayon, ang gagawin mo ngayon, kapag gagawa ka ng resume, right after the objectives, ilalagay mo ngayon yung law, yung sinasabi ng batas natin. Ilalagay mo yung article, ilalagay mo yung Republic Act. So, ibabasahin ako sa inyo na Republic Act, kung saan sinasabi doon na bawal talaga yung age discrimination sa company. Sabi doon sa, according to the Republic Act, RA 10911. Ulitin ko Ngayon, kung may ballpen ka, if you have ballpen and notebook, bring it down, bring it here. And write down yung mga, you should write the details na sasabihin natin para sa gayon, alam mo na kung paano gumawa ng resume. So, sabi dito sa Republic Act 10911, it is an act mandating all employers not to have any age discrimination in accepting employees. Maliwanag, di ba? It is an act mandating all employers not to have any age discrimination in accepting employees. So, napakaliwanag, napawal. It is unlawful for any employers na reject yung mga empleyado na medyo may edad na, 35, 40, 45. As long as kaya nila yung trabaho, bibigyan naman nila yung hinihingi ng company na requirements, dapat hindi magkaroon ng age discrimination. So, ngayon, ang gagawin mo ngayon, what you have to do is to include this Republic Act on your resume right after the objectives. So, if during your application, during your interview, if the HR personnel or HR officer, HR manager ask you, why did you put this Republic Act? Why did you include this? Simple lang. I just want to remind you. I just want you to know na meron tayong batas, that we have an existing law na nagsasabi na bawal ang age discrimination. Sabi nga doon, it is an act mandating all employers. So, sabihin, it is required. Hindi pwede na pili lang yung company. Required to sa lahat ng ng company. So yun, para sa HR na gusto mo lang siyang i-remove kasi sabi mo, tinong ka, ba't na-reject ka na ba sa ganito? Kung na-reject ka, pwede mo aminin yung totoo. Pero sabihin mo sa kanya, according po sa public 10, 9, 11, is bawal po yun. Kailangan tanggapin as long as wala naman po akong sakit. Healthy naman ako. I'm healthy and productive, hardworking, dedicated. So, bakit ako re-reject nyo? Bakit nagkakaroon pa rin ng age discrimination, di ba? Dapat, tinatanggap pa sa trabaho. Yun, para maalala nila o matandaan nila na mayroong batas na pwede silang parusahan kapag patuloy nilang ginawa yung ganung discrimination. So, ngayon, alam mo na ngayon kung paano gagawin. So, you have to do is to include the Republic Act 10, 9, 11 on your resume right after the objectives. Tataka ngayon ng HR. Oh, bagong technique to So, malalaman niya na agad, alam mo lang ba't nilagay niya to, makikita ganyan. Para i-remind ako, para i-remind si company na bawal mag-discriminate. So, mapapaisip siya ngayon. Diba? Marunong yung tao. So, parang i-educate yung mga ibang tao na mayroon silang karapatan. Dapat alam nila yung rights mo. Sabi nga, pag nasa katwiran, ipaglaban mo. Pero without violence naman, violence reaction, hindi dapat yung simple lang. So, I hope you enjoy this video and hope na-educate ka. Kung nakatulong to, i-share mo itong video at mag-subscribe ka. Okay? So, sa susunod na video natin, pag-aaralan naman natin yung about overtime. So, marami kasi kahit ako na-counter ko na yung tinatawag na OTY, as in TY, walang bayad ang overtime. Na kailangan malaman mo yung karapatan mo. Okay? So, yun lang. I hope you enjoy this topic. God bless and see you dun sa susunod na topic na. God bless.